said, whenever I say raise your right hand, I'm raising my left hand because they recognize this is my right hand. Okay, so I have to clear that thing. Whenever most of these things, if you have observed that I am using from my left hand, and I am not lefty. Okay, I am clear. But
teaching them.
Yes, teaching habit makes me lefty.
Because
You can say that.
while preparing the dance also, if we are saying with the right hand and they are using their left hand, so we have to do by our left hand so they can use their right hand. So that's why we are doing the just opposite thing.
Whenever the things I have to do, whenever I am telling them, just write down letter L, I am doing like this, standing line, sleeping line, so that not like this. For me it is wrong,
Yes, but for them it is correct.
Okay, so I am doing like this. So I have to clear that point.
Yes,
so moving towards the next, what is?
The next rhyme is Chandamama. And this is rhyme, like we are taking concept based rhyme and color based rhyme, celebration based rhyme. So here we are taking some general rhymes also. So this Chandamama rhymes is come in general rhyme. So do the action with me. Where is the Chandamama? Chandamama, आओ ना, दूध बताशे खाओ ना, मीठी लोरी गाओ ना, बिस्तर में सो जाओ ना, चंदा मामा आओ ना, दूध बताशे खाओ ना, मीठी लोरी गाओ ना, बिस्तर में सो जाओ ना. After that they are feeling sleepy. So जाओ.
So moving towards the next rhyme, that is theme based rhyme basically. Recently this theme has not done, but in future this theme will come, and we have started this rhyme in class. That's why we are taking some new rhymes also. So this is the incident.
We have introduced this rhyme,
Yes.
but they don't get full idea.
Yes.
So slowly they will learn.
They will learn. Okay. So in some upcoming days, the insect theme is also going on. In each and every week there is a one theme. I think everyone knows that there is a theme is going on. The fruits, colors, vehicles, all rhymes will come.
So animal themes.
So this is animal theme also come. In animal theme we have to differentiate domestic animal, wild animals,
Farm animal.
farm animal, not
Pet
farm. I think two animals. Yes. The domestic and wild animals. Also, sometimes we have to introduce aquatic animals also.
Yes.
So all the themes are to be covered in full year. So this theme also will come in upcoming days. That is the insect theme also. They should know what are the insects which are harmful insects, which are useful insects. Just like earthworm, ये हमारे useful insects हैं. So we telling them all the things in between that week.
Yes.
Okay, and based on that theme, we are doing activities here also, and taking some rhymes also here. So this is the insect rhyme. Inci is everyone knows actually. So this rhyme, I think you know, but kids just recently we introduced this rhyme to them. So do the action with me. Let's start. Inci spider, climb a water spout. Do one more time. Inci spider, climb a water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Inci spider climbed up spout again. Inci spider climbed up spout again. Inci la la la. Inci. We have give some rhythm here. Okay. Inci la la la. Inci la la la. Inci. Okay. This will get joy and some funny things to them. So we are at the end. We are just adding some rhythm over here, just like Inci, and at the last we say Inci. So they realize that the rhyme stop now. Okay. Yes. This is the way we teach to them. Any rhyme, whenever we introduce to them, we are teaching with repeated action. Okay. But after some time, we are doing only one sentence.
Because they get to know each and rhyme.
Okay. So they learn and they recite all the things. So after just whatever they are captured here now, they after that we are just giving the faster speed. to
Sometimes
them.
we just only stand and we tell them, so now start there. We just only said, okay, chubby chicks. They'll start writing.
Yes.
We'll tell
After most
teddy
of
bear.
it,
They
whenever
will start
finish,
doing it.
tiffin get finished now, some of the child eat tiffin fast, some are eating throughout
Yes.
whole
Yes.
day. Okay. Till the school is get end now, till they are eating tiffins, but whatever the kids have finished their tiffins, we are sitting them. If they are playing anything, rather than we are telling them, yes, do sing this
Yes.
rhyme, sing this rhyme. They fluently sing that rhyme, but sometimes there is a
Mood.
vegetable market is there, but it's going on.
When mood is
Apart
there,
from
they
that-
will tell each and every time.
So moving towards the next one. This is the last,
Last
rhyme.
rhyme.
Okay, in the rhyme session. After that, phonics sound are there. Numbers, how we are telling to them is there.
And swear
this
we are
was-
teaching. So this is the last rhyme, and this rhyme, like the rain is not going, still it is coming,